So here we are, we've now come into the entrance hallway here, so just see the main front door there. Got a little space for coats and boots and shoes and things there as well. And then the hallway wraps itself around, leads down to the bedroom area in that direction. We've got the kitchen directly ahead, and as you probably saw from the start there, the lounge on the left. So we're going to the lounge and dining area first. This is a nice cosy room this, and you'll see the wood burner down in the fireplace there as well. So that's lovely, especially in the winter when you get that one roaring away. I'm sure it will be really lovely and snug and cozy in here. Plenty of space for your sofas. And then at the rear of the room, you've got your dining table as well. So nice, bright and airy room this, plenty of windows in here, and views out over the back there. Just give you the aspect from this side here as well. So as I say, dining table here, and then the lounge area down over this way with the fireplace there. So that's the main living room, and then as we go down the hallway here, just on my left, we've now got the kitchen, which is fitted with, you know, a modern range of units here. You've got the back door there leading out into the garden. But as I pan around here, you'll see various fitted units. You've got wooden worktops here. You've got your built-in oven, hob and extractor. You've got your sink over in the corner there under the window, space for your fridge, freezer and your washing machine. So everything in here that you would need. And then the window there overlooks the rear garden, which is quite a nice pleasant outlook. And we've got 3 bedrooms in the property. Just before I do that, there is a store cupboard here on the left-hand side, and that one also houses the gas-fired boiler for the central heating and the hot water. And we've got 3 bedrooms. This is the biggest of the 3, so a nice sized double room in here. Plenty of space for the wardrobes there to the length of one wall, so lots of room for your furniture then. And as you'll see, double bed there, and as I pan around here, still plenty of space for chest of drawers and things as well. So a good sized room, this one. We'll move on through now to the second bedroom, which is just at the rear here. So again, plenty of room in here. It's set up as a single bed room, this one, but as you can see, there's plenty of room for a double bed as well. Wardrobe, chest of drawers, bedside cabinets. Nice views from the rear here as well, out towards the wooded hillsides. So, as I say, good sized second room, this one. And then just heading across the hallway here, we're into the third bedroom, which, as you can see, is currently not used as a bedroom. This is set up as an office. You know, most properties have the office somewhere now within the property, so you could do that here, or of course, you know, there's easy enough space for a single bed, wardrobe, chest of drawers and things in here as well. So purely up to the new owner as to how they use the accommodation. The final room then is just the family bathroom here. So modern white suite, tiled walls. You've got the bath there with the shower over the top, shower obviously in behind the curtain there, and there's a heated towel rail there too. So all nicely done, all nicely fitted, and all of the facilities you'll need. So that's pretty much internally. Let's head outside now into the gardens. So here we are, we're out at the front of the property now, and just looking down at the bungalow from the road here. And the first thing that you'll notice are the solar PV panels on the roof there. So the property has the real benefit of that, and generates its own electricity to supplement the domestic electricity supply. There's also a feed-in tariff at the highest possible level, which gives an annual income of roughly about £1,400 a year back from the national grid. The front garden here is designed with low maintenance in mind. You'll see the coloured gravel there, so nice and easy to look after. And then looking up the road into the cul-de-sac here, there is a cul-de-sac, that's a dead end up there, it only goes up to another property. And then panning around, you'll see similar residential properties within the close here. So a really nice little area this, close to the park gardens, as I said earlier. Another facility here, you've got the off-road parking space that you just see there where the car is. So a hard standing in front of the garage there, providing off-road parking for a car, and then you've got the garage as well. So really good parking facilities at the property. A few steps down, and again just looking across the gravelled front garden there. Head down the steps here now. There's actually access from both sides of the bungalow, one around the right hand side there, and then down through here between the bungalow and the garage as well, through to the back garden. Place for your wheelie bins there, which we all need these days. So we've got this really lovely terrace across the back here. You know, really good space, this, perfect for an alfresco meal, barbecues, sunbathing. It stretches right the way across the width of the bungalow and is raised up above the lower level that you just see down through the steps there. So just looking down into that lower leveled area there now. Really nice enclosed garden space. This gets plenty of the daytime sunlight as well, and all designed with low maintenance in mind. Just panning around onto the back of the bungalow there, and we've also got this really useful covered storage area here as well, so perfect for logs for the log burner perhaps, or maybe bikes or something similar. We'll head down the steps now through into the lower tier. So as I say, all designed with low maintenance in mind, and you'll see the garden is fully enclosed with these big high fences, so providing plenty of privacy here, but also really good for pets, for dogs. You know, it's all enclosed here. Children would be very safe in the garden here as well. So yeah, really lovely gardens, and certainly we fully recommend an early internal inspection. So to come and do that, please do call us on 01271 863 091. Many thanks.